Hi everyone, Charles Wilkinson from Argo Yachting. It's day 3 of the Dusseldorf boat show. It's a really busy stand, so there will be people in the shop whilst we walk around the boat. But what we have behind me is the Galeon 450 HTC. Absolutely awesome boat. It's a coupe version of the 440 Fly, which we're very familiar with. We've got videos on that boat as well. But yeah, great boat, and it's an excellent opportunity for this season. This boat is available. Most likely it will go to the Mediterranean in Mallorca. But yeah, really good opportunity, and I'd love to show you on board, so follow me. So let's go on board, and the first thing you'll notice, we've got the balconies deployed. Balconies, balconies, balconies. The Galeons are so famous for that, and you can just see it. It gives an expanse of space to the aft deck, which is great. Loads and loads of space, 45-foot boat, and it's just got a huge cockpit, which is awesome. The coupe version, what's really noticeable, we've got this retractable sunroof just here. So in the winter, you can obviously close it, you can put the covers down, but in the summer, get everything open. You know, sun worshipping back here. It's a really nice place to be. They've got really cool rake designs, like a diffuser on a car, with the bronze kind of orange tint paint, which is great. Really nice sporty design. On the platform here, obviously high-low platform, so you can put a jet ski on, or a Williams jet tender 280, something of that size. Very nice spacious decks. We even have these steps that lower with the platform, so super access down to the platform when it's submerged. The full beam wet bar, so it's a really nice area to prep your meals if you're cooking some food here, or you've got a nice cool box just down here. Fill it with ice, beers, drinks, sink of course, and just some preparation space either side. And I love how solid this lid is as well. It's got a locking pin, so it's really nice and easy. We've got storage lockers just here. I get asked the question all the time, where do you put the poles and the ropes for the balconies? Really easy system to take those off. We put them straight in there, nice and easy, perfect stowage area for that. If you follow me round, we'll go into the cockpit. This boat is fitted with permateak teak decks, so synthetic teak decking. It's light, it's really easy to clean, it looks great, very stylish. Even on these balcony floors, we've got these glass inlays, so connection to the sea, you can see your nice blue water underneath. So what do we have here in the cockpit? Like I mentioned, obviously the open sunroof, lots of nice light. Got a really nice seating area just here, and of course this table fully opens. This bench seat also flips, so you can sit there, have a drink, look at the sunset on your starboard side, or even put your shoes on. It's just a really usable space. Some excellent lighting, indirect lighting all along the deck, so you can have that white or blue. Looks absolutely awesome, especially at night when you've got this boat lit up. It looks epic. So I'll just kick my shoes off as we go in, but as you can see, this whole access point is fully open, and what's nice on this model compared to the Fly is that it's got 4 sectional bifolding doors as opposed to 3, because we don't have the staircase here. So it fully opens all the way to port side, and you can see how you can really easily gain entry into the saloon. It's absolutely lovely. What's nice actually is this seat here, and obviously flips like we well know, so it's quite nice. You can engage with the cockpit, but equally you undo the pin, you can swivel the bench round, so it even creates a better flow into the saloon, which is great. What's really noticeable, as soon as you walk in the saloon here, there is an abundance of light and windows. We've got windows literally all the way around, except for this little corner here where we've got the switch panel. But there's so much natural light coming through. Hardtop, obviously, on the coupe version here. Lots of fresh air, sunlight. The large helm door on the starboard side. It's just fully open. You know, you couldn't actually open up more if you wanted to. And the port window here in front of the galley. So yeah, it's really, really good. And what's really cool is actually the lighting on this boat. There's an abundance of LED strip lighting, even behind this, these panels here, looks really nice. And what I love on this specific boat is the colorway. There's lots of black paint on the exterior. We've got these really nice carbon inlays, this latty grey woodwork. It's really beautiful. We've got carpets as well, of course, so it's very cozy and plush. This table here, this drops down and there's an infill cushion, so you can use this as a bed if you need to, or just for a cozy way to watch a movie. So when we walk further into the midships here, obviously the galley located on port side, headroom is awesome and quite tall. And even if the roof was closed, you'd have lots of nice headroom. Great storage lockers everywhere. Obviously sink, induction hob, microwave, fridge. You've got all the goodies you'd expect. And then of course opposite, we've got the helm. So what's really good on these Galeons is they have a nice bench seat, so you don't have 2 separate seats. It's really cozy, very comfortable, you know, you can drive the boat very comfortably for hours. It's a really nice way to kind of drive the boat. And obviously the helm door, like I mentioned, shown this before on the other models that Galeon have with this door, but it's so easy for docking. I'm right next to the steering wheel, the joystick obviously, and the throttle sticks, and I can literally look down the side. So it's a really good location to have a massive helm door just here. The helm itself, very iconic Galeon design. We've got this pod with the glass bridge, meaning it's all flush with the glassware here, but two twin plotters, Raymarine, Axiom. You can even see we've got the radar on, plotter, got some really nice functions on there, kind of state-of-the-art equipment. This is your standard engine data information just here. We've got autopilot, bow thruster, really lovely switch panel here for, you know, all sorts, instrument lighting, nav lights, windlass, etc., etc. So it's a very good helm just here. Cup holder, VHF, zip wake trim tabs, so it's really nice and accessible. So we're down in the lobby area really, and again, loads of natural light. I know we're inside a boat show, but there is so much natural light coming through this big windscreen, which is a one-piece windscreen, by the way. It's not split in the middle. But yeah, loads of natural light. We've obviously got a 3-cabin layout on this boat. We can have 2, but this is the 3. So we've got nice bunk beds on the port side, huge window, which is fantastic for the person sleeping on that top bunk. Amazing view if you're at anchor. That's the place to be, even though it's a single bed, it's awesome. Hanging storage, very important. We've got the VIP cabin forward, it's a double bed, really nice access. Hanging storage, of course, great windows, floods the whole area full of light. And they even have it above the bed as well. You remove one of the sun pads on the top, on the foredeck, and it floods the cabin full of light. I absolutely love these inlays in the doors as well. Lots of nice grain work, stainless steel, really nice handles, and they even have these magnetic latches so you don't catch your clothes. It's really nice. Obviously opening this door, this is the main head of the boat. So electric loo, shower, very nice faucets, mirror, storage, again, windows, so noticeable. And what I love as well is just this inlay of fabric they put in the walls. It's really nice attention to detail. Of course, we've got the midships master cabin, full beam of the boat, lots and lots of space, loads of storage on the sides, and it has its own ensuite, so we can have a quick peek into there just now. So we're here in the midships cabin, obviously master cabin, full beam. We've got giant windows either side, and they're absolutely maximising the space on this boat to squeeze this in. We've got loads of storage on the port side. We've got 6 cupboards there, and of course 2 just here. Or 3 even, sorry. And then we've even got a makeup mirror, which is nicely positioned opposite the bed. Really nice grain work with the wood going towards the midsection. They do it on the other side as well. Just nice to point that out. And this headboard, this really cool design, it even stretches above the bed. So when you turned off all the lights in the boat and you keep this on, it looks awesome. This cabin's fitted with television as well, and of course it's got reverse cycle air conditioning throughout the boat, and that's used with the generator if you're at anchor. So it's got all the necessities you'd need really to have comfortable cruising. And of course it has its own ensuite just behind you, and that's a fully fitted ensuite. It's great, separate shower to toilet, and again, lovely windows, storage. It's a really nice ensuite to have. Let's go up to the foredeck and finish the video. If you haven't done already, please subscribe to our channel and also turn on the notification bell so you get alerted each time we upload any video, not just broker walkthroughs. And if you can like the video, it really helps our channel as well. So we're here on the foredeck of the 450 HTC. It's got this awesome sun pad arrangement with the backrests that lift up, cup holders, and even a nice perching seat just there with the backrest, which you can fold beneath the seat. But yeah, great foredeck. We've got wide access points, even a really high tow rail. So, you know, there's no risk of slipping off. They think about all the safety features, and of course an anchor with an electric windlass which you can control from the helm. So it's all super nice and easy to use up here. That pretty much concludes the walkthrough tour on this boat. I did fail to mention that it does have the IPS-650 engines, so great performance with the joystick. That's the top engine spec on this boat, so really good spec throughout. Hopefully I showed it. Air conditioning, generator, high-low platform, etc. All the details on the link below. If you click through, it will take you to all the pictures and videos of this boat. We'd love to show you it. It most likely will go to Mallorca after the show, but to be confirmed. But if you'd like to find out more, do get in touch with us. We'd love to meet you and talk with you. We've actually just done a video on that 480 over there, which will be on our YouTube channel as well. And I'm about to go film this 410 HTC, which is the slightly smaller version of this. So that's a really nice boat as well. If you don't need a mid 40 foot, it's a 40 foot boat. One thing to mention, of course, with all of our Galeon yachts that we supply as new, it comes with Argo Assured, which is a 5-year warranty. So if you want to find out more about that, again, ask us. We'd love to go into detail, but it's just to give our customers a peace of mind. It's a really nice touch. Yeah, we look forward to hearing from you, and I hope you enjoyed the video.